Kenyan street food. Kenyan street food. Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. Na guys, leo we will be making Kenyan street food. And of course you can guess what you are making guys. Tuko na chapati yetu hapo tulikuwa tumetengeneza earlier on. And on to the next thing guys, I want to prepare the ingredients za kutengeneza omelette yetu. So guys, we will start by preparing our onion and tutazikatakata into the smallest size possible. And if you love this combination, grab a seat. This video is for you guys. You're going to enjoy it. And remember to subscribe, watch and share my videos. And thank you so much for the support. Honestly, I don't take it for granted. And so the next thing is our tomatoes. Tutazikatakata the same way tumekatakata our onion into the smallest size possible. And we are going to cut our coriander the same. Now coriander guys, remember ni optional, si lazima uweke, but if you want your eggs to taste richer and more appetizing, you can go ahead and add. After that guys, tutaongeza our 2 eggs into the same bowl. And of course si lazima mayai mbili. If you want more than 2 is still okay. Unaweza ongeza 3, 4 yenye wewe una prefer. Another thing guys, you can add the spice of your choice. So in this case unaweza weka paprika, cayenne kama unataka your omelette to be more spicy, ama uweke hata black pepper. Ama pia uache tu hivyo, provided umeweka a pinch of salt, it will still be okay. So far tumeweka mayai yetu, as you can see, tukoroge until it is fully combined. And by now guys, you can see, si unaona tu ziko tu sawa. And then the last thing, we are going to add our salt kidogo tu, hatutaeka mingi ndo isikue kali. And then we go ahead to koroge again. And then we are going to add a tablespoon of cooking oil, as you can see, to ngoze ikue moto ndio we go in with our eggs guys. So it is as simple as that. Imagine nimekupea breakfast idea, nimekupea lunch idea, nimekupea supper idea. And finally guys, our pan is ready. We can go in with our eggs and then we are going to spread them evenly, as you can see. Na hatutaki kubakisha hata kama yai hata kadogo kwa plate, tumeitoa yote. So after 5 minutes guys, ndio tutageuza the other side. You can see I used my plate simply because hii mayai uwezi chukua tu hivyo, itakatika cause iko na weight ya the other ingredients. So ndio maana nilitumia our plate. And then after 5 minutes guys, nikawekelea my chapati hapo ndio niweze kuziroll pamoja. And let me tell you, this recipe, it is one of the best. Hii nayo unasikia tu ukule any other day, like ukule breakfast kila siku cause it was so yummy. And then guys, after add my chapati there inside, nikangoja another 5 minutes zikakuwa moto pamoja. And then nikaziroll pamoja, si unaona venye naziroll. And then nikaikatakata into 2 pieces. Ili slap my dear, let me tell you the truth, nilipenda hii. I think I'll be making it most of the time, especially for breakfast. It's so delicious, feeling like ukikula tu breakfast utasikia tu kukula anything throughout the day. And guys, go try the recipe and let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, watch and share, and thank you so much so far for the support. Na mbona subscribe guys, mbona support. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Just write something down. Niambie hii nayo ili slap, hukupenda hii, anything. And kindly ignore sauti ya baby Aki. He has been all over today. I don't know the reason, but I hope me understand, mmeelewa. And also you're planning to make this recipe anyway. It has been your girl, Sarah's Kitchen. And thank you so much for the support. And we see you in the next one. I love you, love you, love you so much. Mwah.